Welcome to qnawire.
Okay, question 5 is saying that the nation of Textilia does not allow imports of clothing. So in the equilibrium without trade, we can see that now the equilibrium price is 20 and the equilibrium quantity is 3 million t-shirts. Okay, so I wrote 3 here. And now the president decides to open the market to international trade. So now the price of the t-shirt falls to 16. So we can see that the international price is lower than the domestic price. And when the market price of t-shirt falls to $16, the number of t-shirt consumed raised to 4 million. So the number of t-shirt consumed is the demand for t-shirt rises to 4 million. So this point is 4. And number of t-shirts produced declines to 1 million. So the supply of domestic t-shirt is 1 million. So it's this point. Okay, so after we draw this graph, we can easily calculate the consumer surplus and producer surplus from this graph. So I'll use color blue as the consumer surplus. So before the trade, the consumer surplus is the blue triangle here, which is the area here. But then now after the trade, the consumer can buy more t-shirts with a lower price. So the triangle becomes larger. So the difference of this small triangle and this big triangle here is the shaded area in blue here. Okay, so how do we calculate the area? It is 3, because the upper side here is 3, plus the downside is 4, times the height, which is the difference of the price, $4, divided by 2. So it is 14. So this 14 is the change of consumer surplus. Okay, now we have to calculate the producer surplus. So if we ignore the blue part, okay, I'll use green. The producer surplus used to be the green triangle here, but now it becomes smaller. So the difference is the green area here. So the producer surplus is going to be, the upper side is also 3 plus the down side is 1, times the height is also 4, divided by 2. So it's 4 times 2, which is 8. So we know that the producer surplus decreased because it used to be larger and now it's smaller. So the producer surplus decreased by 8 units. So it should be a minus sign here. And consumer surplus increased by 14 units. So the total surplus at the end increased because plus 14 minus 8. So the total surplus in this economy increased when they opened for trade. So this 6 is just the difference between these two shaded areas. So the benefit brought by international trade is the triangle here. So we can see that the area of this triangle is indeed like the bottom is 3 times 4 divided by 2 is actually 6.